Kia ora, kahui pihina. Today I am going to show you how to get into your Google accounts and how to access your document Recipe for a Good Friend. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to head over to the blog and you click on the literacy blog. If you click on there, and down the side is the Google Docs, how you sign into your account down there. Now, I'm going to do things a little bit different today because I'm logged into my account, but Thea, I hope you don't mind. I keep using your account, so thank you for being wonderful and letting me do that. I'm going to log into your Google account because it looks a little bit different to what my one does. Okay, so if you head over there, and you will sign in, and I want you to sign into your Google account. You can see here it'll come up like that. I've got Thea's there. All right, I'm going to pop her password in right now. So you pop your password into your computer and it will take you into your Google account. Okay, so it will look like this. To check your emails, you click on Gmail over here, but I want you to hit the dots, you know, all those wee dots in the air, and I want you to head into your Drive. So that's that triangle. It's got the yellow, green, and blue Drive. If you click on there, it'll take you into your Google account. Now, the cool thing about your account is, and you can see it's already created up there, I have dropped this document into your literacy folder. So if you double click on your literacy folder and you click on there and you scroll down, you can see here is the document Recipe for a Good Friend. You're going to double click that and you're going to open it up. All right, so here is where you're going to type on to your document here. All right, so to type, you just need to click on the text box, and you can see here I've already put insert picture here. So I want you to find a photo of your friend so you can drop it in there, and I'm going to show you how to insert a picture in a minute. All right, so down here, so you can see the title, Recipe for a Good Friend, and you can see we've got ingredients. Now, I want you to think about what sort of ingredients you would need to create a good friend. What? Kindness, okay, smiles, happiness, sharing, all these qualities, helpfulness, laughter, respect. You think about everything you want in a good friend. And your friend, so you're thinking about a person that is all these qualities, okay, the ingredients. And if you click on here, you can then start typing. And you can see here, I've already started typing for you where it says write your ingredients here. You're just going to highlight that, or you can hit the delete button and you can just delete that because this is where you are going to write your ingredients. Now, I would love kindness in my friend. So I'm going to have 2 large spoonfuls, because remember it's a recipe, spoonfuls of kindness. Okay, then I'm going to hit enter, return, and I'm going to come down to a new line because I'm going to have another ingredient. Now, I like smiles, okay? I like when my friends smile at me. So I'm going to have 100 grams, so I'm going to put a G, and then I'm going to put smiles, okay? Oh, sorry, of smiles. Okay, then I'm going to hit enter again, return, and it's going to take me down to a new line because we're going to list our ingredients in here. Now, I would like us to sprinkle a sprinkle of gentleness. Okay, so I'm going to put see how I put a capital letter at the start? So I held down shift. Okay, a sprinkle, I was going to write capital, a sprinkle of gentleness, because gentleness is important. Okay, now helpful. I like my friend to be helpful. So I'm going to have 150 grams of helpfulness. Okay, then I would like 10 drops of respect. And you can just keep listing your ingredients down here, drops of respect. okay? And then you hit return, and then you keep adding them. What about, oh, a pinch of happiness? A pinch of happiness. So you think about all the things, oh, I've missed out my N in pinch, all the things that make it that important for you. Now, if you're finding this quite small, you might want to zoom in a bit, and you can see here, yeah, that's better. You can actually see. So I just went to that little zoom. It's like a wee magnifying glass, and I clicked on it, and you can take it back a little bit. It's up to you what you want. I quite liked 100 because I could see it nice and clear like that. Then if I press return, it will take me to the new line, and I'm going to have what do I need? Oh, a heaped teaspoon of love. A heaped teaspoon of love. And you just keep listing them down there. And you can see here, it says insert your picture here, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. Then we come down to this box here, down the bottom, and it's our method. What are we going to do with all this ingredients here? What are we going to do with it? All right, so as you can see here, you can, if you double click, okay, it will highlight them all, and you just press the delete button, or you can click there and delete it, or you can click and drag. It's up to you how you take away that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix all the ingredients, so all the things, all the ingredients of being a good friend together. Okay, so I'm going to mix them all together to create my perfect friend. And you might want to say a little bit about your friend. So you might want to think, so I could put here Miss Forbes, or I could say Miss H. So Miss Forbes is my good friend because she looks after me. Okay. And you could say when I am sad. Okay, when I am sad. Okay, full stop wizard. Then you could say something else about your friend. All right, so you can write your sentences under here. I'd love to see what you're writing about your friends there. Now you can see I'm going to scroll back up to the top here, and it says draw a picture. Now you can draw one if you want to draw one. It's up to you. Or you can insert your picture. It's up to you what you want to do here. So if we click on that, again, if we go 1, 2, see, it highlights. So I'm going to delete that. Now, you might have a picture that you have saved on your computer. Your mum might take a photo and you might put it on the desktop. So to insert a picture, you come over to this little picture button here, and I can show you a little bit more when we head back to class of how to do this. Okay, so you click on there and you're going to insert. You might have one, you might want to take a photo of you and your friend if you've got one. See, my computer's got a camera, you have to do that. Or you can upload one. So if you click on there, and you might have a picture on your desktop that you want to put in. Okay, I haven't got a picture saved on my desktop, so I'm just going to put in a JPEG of the pot that I made this week. And you can see here, it will go in there. Okay, and you just click and drag it to where you would like it. And you can make it a little bit bigger if you want to. It's up to you. This is your picture. And you can play around by clicking and dragging the boxes like that. All right, so that is how you insert a picture in there. So very cool. And if you wanted to have a go at drawing one, okay, you can actually use an app on your phone or the computer, and you could actually draw your friend, and then you can insert it that way. Okay, you could also draw it up here with your pen. I'm pretty sure if I click on, no, that's a watercolor. Might just be shapes. Yeah, yeah, just border shapes. But that's okay. There's ways of inserting there. Awesome. All right. So when you have finished, you don't need to share this with me because it is already in your folder. All right. So if you don't have to save it, because the good thing about that, it's there. So if I click the cross up the top, okay, and I come back, okay, and I open it in my literacy folder, it is there. And you can see here that it is there. Don't worry, Thea, I'll take this writing off before you start yours. All right. So remember logging into your Google account. So you'll come in. I'm just going to go back to my Drive. You'll come into Drive, which is again the yellow, blue, and green triangle. Okay. Then you have your folders down the bottom here. It is in your literacy folder. If you double click on that, 1, 2, it will take you to there, and it's sitting waiting in your literacy folder, and we will be able to see your work. You don't need to share it with us because we can see what is in your folder here. I can't wait to see what you come up with, and yeah, I want to see who your friends are and why they're special to you. What sort of qualities has your friend got that you really appreciate? Okay, so I want have a go at doing that, and I'd love to see them. So ka kite, have a fantastic day, okay, and I will see you soon.